Today we're learning the cocktail recipe, Long Island iced tea. Hey everybody, my name is Michael. I'm a cocktail bartender at Polly in Fitzroy, Melbourne, and today we are making the very alcoholic Long Island iced tea. How I like to think of it when I'm making cocktails, most house, which is the spirits in your rail, they're quick to access, so most of the white spirits there. So you've got white rum, we've got gin, we've got vodka, we've got tequila, we've got orange triple sec, in this case Contro. So that's a lot of ingredients, and also we've got a bit of Coke to balance out all the flavour. So you can definitely make this drink strong. Just chuck a shot of each of those. I'd sip it over the course of an hour because that's going to be like 5 standard drinks. But to have an actual enjoyable Long Island iced tea that you can sit on and enjoy, maybe order another one afterwards, is just to do a lighter sort of measurement. So this one we're doing 15, 15, 15, 15, 15 and Coke on the bottom, because you'll see we'll get a beautiful texture to it. So first thing, just put a bit of ice in that glass, give it a little bit of a spin, and as we're making our drink, that will go ice cold, so it'll be a lot better drink in the end of the day. So let's go, 15 ml of each of these. I put these little pourers on to make me go a lot faster, because you see it is a lot of ingredients. But it's actually a really delicious drink. There we go. So now we're going to prepare our garnish, which is a lemon wedge. You can do different garnishes for this as well, but we're just going to keep it simple today. And a lemon circle, lemon wheel, I think that's what they call them. So cutting, that's what we need, and we're just going to do a little cut there as well to hang on the glass. So leave that aside for later. So the recipe also calls for lemon juice and sugar syrup. We kind of ran out of space, so we're not going to put them on display all nicely, but we will put them in. So typically what you want to do is 30 ml of lemon juice, and we can measure that by squeezing that in there. So you want to use this catcher to catch all the pulp. So about 1 lemon will do it. So 30 ml of that in there. And now we're going to get some sugar syrup as well. So our sugar syrup today, we're going to be using half as much of the lemon juice as we did. So 30 ml we put of lemon juice. So we're going to put 15 ml of 1-to-1 ratio sugar syrup. So the citrus and the sugar in there is going to make the drink a lot more enjoyable to taste. So now we can dump our ice up. Nice and cold. So we're going to put fresh ice there. Ice to the top. Shaking. This is one of the best cocktails that's going to come out. You're going to get that beautiful aroma there. So now, adding the Coke first. Topping it up with ice. Okay, that's a little bit overboard. Grab one, throw it away. Little bit more Coke. And now, pouring our beautiful So as you can see, you've got that beautiful deliciousness on top. And there we go. Sorry, got a little bit excited, didn't put that on properly. Serving napkin. And there's your beautiful Long Island iced tea. You can add a straw as well, which I'm going to do here. Paper straws, of course. That way the guests can give it a nice mix as well. Beautiful balance, delicious drink. Enjoy.